Hey there, YouTube. I'm gonna do a beginner lesson. And I think I'll teach the chords at the end. So, because some of you might know how to play these chords. You might just want to learn how to play the song. This song's called Molly's Lips, and Nirvana did it, made it very famous. But the original song was done by the Vaselines. It was much more mellow and kind of folky almost. So we're kind of going to do that kind of arrangement. But there's just two chords, C and G. Starts on G, and then it goes to C. She said she'd take me anywhere, as long as she stays with me. She said she'd take me anywhere, she'd take me everywhere, as long as I stay clean. Kiss, kiss, Molly's lips. Kiss, kiss, Molly's lips. Kiss, kiss, Molly's lips. Kiss, kiss, Molly's lips. She said she'd take me anywhere, as long as I stay clean. She said she'd take me anywhere, take me anywhere, as long as I stay clean. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole song. Just goes between the verse and the chorus, and it's a short song too. It's only like 2 minutes. But this is a really good song to practice your G chords and your C chords. Better than just trying to practice them, without like being in a song. At least this way you can kind of practice a song while you're practicing them. All right, so that's pretty much the song instruction. I'll show you how to play the chords. G, you place your, and the song begins on G. Place your pinky on the 3rd fret on the high E string. The next 3 strings you're going to leave alone. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret. And then your ring finger is going to go on the G at the 3rd fret. Now, to go to the C, you kind of keep these fingers in the same configuration and just swap it down to the 5th and 4th strings. So you're just going down to your 5th string root now. This is your root. This is the C, your ring finger, okay? And the 3rd fret on the A string. Your middle finger is on the D string at the 2nd fret. And then your pinky you let go, and then you place your pointer finger on the B string at the 1st fret. Now I kind of got in the habit of just muting the A string with this finger, so I just play a G like this. And I just mute the A string. That sounds fine too. But if you're just starting out, you might want to play the proper. The other thing you can do is place your pinky on the 3rd fret, but place your ring finger on the B string at the 3rd fret, and then play the low strings with your pointer and your index. And then you can leave these fingers. Somehow when you place both fingers on these, makes it work over both the B and the C. I think it's 9th chord. Gives you a nice folky kind of sound. So it's a good song to practice your G to C transitions. And it's a pretty song. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.